Friday morning, folks, last trading day of the week. Stocks took a beating yesterday. S&P down 1.5%. Nadex, those technology stocks, down 2.5%. We had more inflation data out yesterday, and that PPI number came in a little weaker than they expected. However, still seeing a lot of pressure on these stocks with fears that interest rates are going to start rising real soon here to try and get in front of inflation. Now, looking at today, heading into the market, we've got equities down again. Dow Jones down 175. Strike that. Dow Jones down 205 now, refreshed. S&Ps are down roughly 30. NASDAQ down about 122 points. So seeing a lot of pressure again this morning. Crude oil flat at $82 a barrel. And when you jump over at FX, which has been some wild moves this week with that dollar just getting hammered, seeing a little bit of dollar weakness yet again this morning on the board. Now, again, Monday, Martin Luther King holiday, stock markets closed. However, Nadex will remain open for FX trading. So we will be open on Monday morning. If you find yourself bored, nothing to do, a couple things you can do. One, you can get in and trade at Nadex in that morning session, or you can go over to nadex.com and check out our education center and start making yourself a better trader with some education. All right, folks, let's have a great Friday. Finish out the week strong. Trade some price action. I'll see you again on Monday. Bye-bye.